Okay, and so basically you've been asked to draw a distance time graph here. Now we're not told anything like he drives like that, so we're just going to go with what we think is like going to be a consistent pace. So don't worry about steepness of lines, etc. Okay, so first of all, you're told that he travels on his bike to the gym. Below the description of his journey, so 8 and then 8:15, 8:36, 9, 11 and 11:30. Okay, now the key words to pick out in this question is that he lives 2.5 miles away from his friend, who he goes and picks up by here. But then his friend is a further 3 miles. Is the word further, and you can see in my solution next bit, I'm really going to highlight that word further to his friend's house to the gym. Okay, so 8:15. We've got to go and work out the scale of this. So we know in the middle must be 8:30, and then halfway in between there would be 8:15. But if you actually go and look at the jump from 8 till 8:30 is 30 minutes, and then divide that by 10 because there's 10 little squares in up to there, then that's going to come up to 3 minutes per square. So we'd basically just draw a line up to 2.5. Then he stays at his friend's house quite obviously, doesn't he? If you look up here, he stops at his friend's house, then he leaves his friend's house. He's there for, what, 21 minutes? So that's going to be represented by a straight line going between those bits. Then he's going to go on another 3 miles from there, so that's 2.5 add 3, which would be 5.5. So here's 4, here's 5. Sorry, here's 4, here's 6. 5 would be in the middle, so 5.5 would be in the middle there. So then from 8:36, you're going to draw a line going up to there for 9 o'clock. And then he's going to stay at the gym, isn't he? So he's going to just be straight line going across up until 11. And then finally, he arrives home, and the key words here is distance in miles from Alid's home. So it's not distance travelled, it's distance from his home. If he's going back to home, then his graph is going to go from 5.5 down to 11:30, like that. Okay, so here's my solution. Pretty much exactly what I've just said on the previous bit. So I went and worked out what my scale was there, 3 minutes per square. So you're going to have to make sure that you're really, really accurate with these bits here. I think I can zoom in on this bit here as well, yeah. Can you see there, look, it's gone two squares in. Okay, so you have to make sure you're accurate on that bit. 9 o'clock then straight line showing that he's stationary, he's not moving, okay? I hope that's been useful. Let me know if it is, and I'm quite happy to make more.